guys, so this is going to be a little surprise video. I didn't find out until about 5 minutes ago that I'm actually going to slam enough Gatlinburg, but it's 2 a.m. right now. I'm gonna go get gas and I'm gonna surprise these fuckers. So the funniest thing about this is, again, they don't know that I'm going, so I'm just gonna sneak up on them like in Fast and the Furious. Like when Dom surprises the Asian bikers, just like he just look, Brian goes and chases the bikers, and then Dom goes the complete opposite fucking way. I don't even know how he found him. I mean, it's movie shit, you know? But I'm gonna probably post up somewhere close by the interstate because they're gonna be passing my my city. All right, boys and girls, that's all she wrote for tonight. Okay, I did not sleep at all last night. I tried to, but I couldn't. So I'm on my way to Walmart right now. Yo, did I torque the lug nuts? Yes, sir. We are ready for Gatlinburg. Well, this stuff really cleans out the engine from all that gunky shit. All right, so they are taking the interstate from that way. So they'll definitely come and pass by here. They don't even know I'm coming. That's the funniest part. I'll probably hear their fucking like burn my brand, all that shit. I hope everything goes well, man. I pray to the VQ gods. Oh, there they are, look. All right, we're gonna go catch him, bro. We're gonna go catch him. All right, we at the Buc-ee's. We at the Buc-ee's.
I seen him, he was like, new. Yo, what's up? See you later. Text Gatlinburg.
Then I see AZ pull up. I'm like, what the fuck?
Nah, bro, I was like, shooting past me, and I was like, what the fuck? And then I looked at the group. I look at the group chat, all I see is this nigga spawned in. I'm like, what the fuck?
I'm Exodia, bro. Bro, you still wearing that Polo and Tommy Hilfiger?
Bro, I'm sponsored. Check, group. Drip.
You know what I'm saying? So I couldn't decide,
okay.
You know, you just gotta go with it, bro.
Okay.
Got the color heart.
Okay.
Let me see that Buc-ee's merch.
Oh, shit. Them niggas the fucking drip, man. You crazy? Yeah, my nigga. Look at the fucking drip, man. Hold on, let me take a picture of my son real quick, son. Hold on, B. Hold on, yeah. Look at the fucking drip. Yeah. Look at the fucking drip. Y'all know what's fucking fly. You shit me? Is you shit me? My son got the Denver Nugget jeans. Is you fucking shit me?
Yo, look at that. Not that shit. So that's why they call it Pigeon Forge.
Hey, that's the Tomei scraping, bro.
Oh shit, that's a big ass fucking
Welcome to the Closed Off Society cabin. We got John right here.
MTV Cribs.
Me and John fucking did this shit.
From the mud, bro. From the fucking
From the
mud.
right there, bro.
From the
You see
mud.
these Jordans? I had these Jordans since I was 5. They never fucking took me. That's my fucking deodorant right there. I know.
Bro, look how big this counter is. Holy
got
shit.
kitchen right here.
You got the Jesus counter and shit.
We can fit Emil, not fucking Emil, fucking Miguel's fat ass here 5 different fucking times. 5 different Miguels right there, 5 different Miguels right there. That whole entire table right there, 5 different, not even 5 different Miguels. There's 10 different Miguels right here. Alright, look at this kitchen, bro.
Is this touchscreen?
This is
that touchscreen?
Yeah,
Hey,
this is Miguel's magic right
They
here.
got a DJ table, bro.
Hold on, I need to make sure it gonna burn works. the motherfucking house down. That's what's gonna fucking happen.
Hey, nah, you don't know how to cook, bro. You gonna burn this shit
Right
down.
there.
Hell no. Cool. Uh-huh.
This shit kind of dead. No, I'm playing.
What the fuck? They got this greasy ass bear. Hey, bitch, I won't steal that though. Is that Zaxby's? You got more Zaxby's? Hey, I don't got windshield wipers. Set up on the little phone thingy stand. Ooh. Feels like fucking oil. I hope people see our cars and they think it's probably me making those pops, but it's not. Where we at, JB?
The Ribkin experience.
The who?
The Ribkin experience,
Oh, the fuck
aka
is
the after me for Slam Dunk.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we didn't go today, but we'll go maybe tomorrow.
So technically the pre-meet.
Let me get that light, bro. Let me get that light.
Oh,
Hey, you see the supercharger?
thank you.
It's a DE too. Hey, Dominic Toretto showed up. No, it's a supercharger for the DE. It's a still supercharger.
Bro, do y'all see the little fuel car that
Look at this. Supercharger.
Isn't there like a certain style?
Oh, that? Oh,
Is that a Altima?
yeah.
Oh, that's a Fortima.
Double fuck it up. Bro, this shit's clean, bro. What exhaust system you got?
You're not good. You got the same exhaust I got.
Bro, you can buy that at McDonald's. He bought it at Slam for 15 bucks.
Oh shit, though.
What about these though? Hold up.
Hey, where's my R34?
God did.
Ooh. Ooh.